A mouse came to play with Sissy's RagDoll, rebel, most docile, sweet RagDoll. Rebel Sissy, sweet RagDoll, wanted to play but felt something was not quite right with this mouse. Something's not quite right.